Hi all, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today we got this Samsung LCD TV power supply which is blown up. So when we were using it, the TV just started smoking from the back and then it just shut off. So I opened it up and you can see that some of these capacitors have blown up. Well, you can see they vented. You can see that at the top they've domed up. See if I can zoom into this. So it's the first one, the second one, and the third one along here. Where is it? Yeah, these three here, and also this one and this one. So they're slightly domed up. So that's probably where the smoke came out from. So I'm going to be replacing them. I bought this pack of all these different capacitors, like an assorted set. So yeah, so the original ones are 35 volts at 1000 microfarads. Right, so before I start taking these out, unsoldering all the capacitors that we need to do, I'm just gonna check if there's any voltage left. I did unplug it overnight, but it's best just to have a quick check. Nah, there's no voltage on this big capacitor here. I think that's like a 450 volt, it says. Let's have a look on these ones as well. They're fine. Yeah, so these three, they're all marked on the board. If they're not marked, then you should just check which way the polarity is. I'm gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 out. The rest of them look okay. Just gonna add a bit of solder on top of them, just a little bit. It's definitely worth getting a quality solder sucker if you're going to be soldering quite often. This is like, I think it's like 30 years old. It's my dad's, but it still works fine. I've got loads of the cheap ones that you can get on AliExpress and stuff, but they just don't work as well as this. Oh, one fell out anyway. That's 2. Three, 4, and 5. I'm just going to test them out on this. Which is the worst one? I think it's this one. Sometimes they will show the same capacity, but because they've just got hot. So this is showing 450 when it should be 1000. See if I can zoom in a bit. Not very clear. You can see it says 452. There might be something else wrong with the board, but I'm assuming it's these capacitors because smoke did come out and they're the only ones that are blown up or expanded. So this one's testing out at 1000. That's fine, but it's got 1.1 ESR. I'm not sure how accurate this meter is either. That's showing 336. Yeah, this one's domed a lot more than this one. .474 with 4.4 ohms. This is 453, 2.5. I think they've just got really old. Let me try some of the new ones. Well, these are old, but I don't think they were used that much. .977. There's 4.1 ohms as well, so might not use these. .3.6. 921. You seem a bit dodgy as well. Yeah, it's turned on. You can see the lights that are turned on there. yeah, the screen's working fine as well. I'm going to put the case back on and the stand. So yeah. So the TV is working fine now. So yeah, so just to recap, the power supply capacitor was blown. There was some smoke coming out of the TV. So then, and it switched off, so it wasn't working. So it was just 5 capacitors that I needed to change out. They had a little dome on the top where the gas probably vented out. And yeah, so hope you liked the video. Hope it helped someone fix their TV. Just changing the capacitors out. It's not a hard job if you've got the right tools to do it. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and keep watching and keep learning. Thanks for watching.